we want to do maintenance. You can see the paint has formed bubbles all around here, all around like this. So to correct this, what we do is this. So we avoid tampering with the good parts, with the good portions. So we want to start that now. So that is it, guys. We have maintained that position. We have maintained. Welcome, guys. So we want to do maintenance today for painting this room. When you have a finished paint like this, you have everything done well. You discover that from time to time, as the year goes by, you see that some of the paints finish need maintenance. And that is what we have here. Here we have the wall paint forming bubbles, and the bubbles, they are now peeling off, especially when you have little kids. And little kids can be playful, they can be mischievous sometimes, and then some of them will come there and tear out the bubble. And once you have that, the remaining bubbles continue to peel. And now, so we avoid tampering with the good parts, with the good portions. So you trace it out with a razor like this. So you avoid removing the good parts, the good portions. Ensure only the bubbles that have been removed. Most of the time, the screeding is the problem. The screeding is absorbing moisture and is forming bubbles under the thin layer of the paint. So we can scrape them off. So we stop it here and scrape off the screeding. The screeding is forming the bubbles. Is the culprit, has absorbed moisture from the wall and then swelling up, forming bubbles under the thin layer of the paint. So next is to apply paint. Once again, repainting all the exposed portion of the wall. So we want to start that now. We have the paint here, so we try to reapply it. So we can use a thicker layer of paint on top now. Thicker layer. So we can do this 2-3 times, making the top layer to be very thick. Okay, so that is it, guys. We have maintained that position. We have maintained, we carried out the maintenance on that portion now. And then, as you know, when you have a good paint finish like this, you don't repaint the entire structure. If the painting was very good, you can maintain it for 10 years at least before you do a total repainting. But in between, from the start to end of 10 years, you need to carry out maintenance such as this. And that is what we do. Don't forget to like and share this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to my channel in order to get notified when we bring new videos like this. You can become a member of this channel also in order to get the membership benefits from me and from YouTube. Until another time, I say bye bye.